Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm doing a frozen set. I'm just showing you that I'm using my CJP Liz Guild brush. So I'm going in on the index finger with Nail Visions, the Danube I think it's called. I'll leave links to everything in the description box as usual anyway. So I'm just applying a full nail of that. I've done a shorter set today because somebody requested that I do a design set on a shorter set of nails because their clients don't like long nails and stuff, so I just thought I'd do a quick little frozen set because it's nearly Christmas. I didn't want to go too Christmassy, but I thought frozen's a bit in between because we've got the snow and the snowflakes and yeah. So I'm just doing a full nail of that. Now I'm coming in on the thumb with this beautiful glitter called Frozen from called Elsa, sorry, from Sparkle Supplies UK. And it's fine blue glitter with some chunky holographic pieces in. So that's Elsa on the thumb. I'm just dipping in my clear acrylic, dipping straight into that glitter and then popping it on the nail. Also, I finally remembered to put my phone on silent whilst I'm doing a voiceover, so I do apologise if you hear it go off with a vibration during the video. However, I have put it on silent this time so you won't hear it pinging. Apologise for my voice as well, it's still a bit croaky because I'm still a bit poorly, but I'm getting there. So, just wanted to get something uploaded for you guys. So yeah, I'm just doing a full nail of that Elsa glitter. I've left everything in for you today as well, guys. I've left my filing, shaping, buffing, top coating, everything. It's all in there today. I was just feeling if that was set and it's not quite set yet, so I'm going to come in on the ring finger with the same blue colour. I do love this blue, it's such a nice colour. And this glitter is called Frozen, and it's a blue glitter with some the smaller but chunkier bits of glitter, if that makes sense, holographic glitter. So I'm just applying that in like a little trail across the nail. And then I'm just going to pick up some clear acrylic, blob it on the nail, and I'm picking up one of those snowflakes. These are snowflake shaped glitters from Sparkle Supplies UK also. I will leave links as usual in the description box anyway, along with any discount codes that I have for you guys. So I got 2 snowflakes and I only needed 1, so I just took them off, separated them and popped it back on the nail. Just patting that into place, and I'm just going to apply a bit of clear acrylic over it because by the time I'd finished faffing, the bead that I put down had dried, so just to keep it in place, I'm just applying some clear acrylic over that. Now I'm coming in on the middle finger with that same Frozen glitter, and I'm just going to apply a full nail of that. I have sped this video up because it was like half an hour long, so I didn't think you'd want to watch a half an hour long video, so if you do, let me know. But yeah, because I'd kept everything in it. It was like half an hour long, so I thought I'll speed it up a little. Then I'm coming in with these water decals from Sparkle Supplies UK. I'm just snipping the one that I want off. I'm just showing you that I've got a little pot of water there for it to go in. So just peel the clear protector off the top and then just pop it in that water for a couple of seconds. And then take it out of the water. I'm just going to show you, it literally just slides off if you just push it, and then just grab it with your tweezers and pop it on the nail. Move it around to where you want it. And then I'm just going to cap this one straight away so it stays in place. And then on the pinky finger, I'm just coming in again with that frozen glitter. I'm just going to do a bit of a glitter fade. Then I will cap all the nails with clear acrylic. And then onto my filing. So I'm just going to let you guys watch, because I don't want to bore you voicing over all the way through. But I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. I also have a giveaway further down for when I reach 500 subscribers. So go ahead and check that out. And I'll see you all soon. So I've left a little image at the end of what the final result looked like, so you can all see what they look like. So yeah, I'm waffling now, so I'll see you next time. Thanks for joining, guys. Bye bye.